abantwana lapho masihlele ngale ngaphandle ngithi ukuthi ushenge mavela ngithi shenge athomhlonishwa niyamazi ukuthi asithoba sonke isikhathi. Ngijabula kakhulu uma ngibona ukhongoloso na-FP basebenzisa, because we know that that was his wish. Ushenge weza kithi wathi masisebenzeni sonke. IFP, ANC, ukuthi lento sihlale sicabana mayiphele, sisebenze sonke, because the objective yethu it's one, to bring a better life kubantu bakithi bonke, and that's something we must work together on. So sithe masizwa ke ukuthi ubaba kasekho bayehla bomamkhize bazovela ngapha, ngathi nami ngizafika ngizonilandela ngoba kubalekile ukuthi sibe khona. Mndeni siyanduduza kakhulu, IFP, abangani, the whole community, sizosebenza nani up to the end. Ushilo usihlalo wami la ukuthi you will spend 7 days ala. Kubaluleke kakhulu because we want to remember Shenge as one of those who made a contribution during his time. Siyazi ukuthi as a young man there at Fort Hare University, why join the ANC Youth League? So it's not a story, it's the truth. Wasebenza nabo Artambo, wasebenza nabo Robert Mugabe, nabo Sobukwe, when they were students, building the ANC Youth League. Singakhohlwa lokho, because sometimes masabantu singasayikhumbuli history, umlando. This is a man who worked with us. Wasebenza futhi naku democratic government as a minister of Home Affairs ngaphansi kwaBaba Mandela. Wasebenza kahle kakhulu. So he was not just the leader of the Inkatha Freedom Party, but he was also a minister in our government. Sitheke masibheka lento sathi umuntu oyasebenza imisebenzi enje kuyomele mase ahamba simhloniphe nathi, by then declaring the official funeral. Sithi ke mndeni niqine emoyeni ngoba noma umuntu angaba nathi emhlabeni for many years, sisho sithi he was blessed with a long life, kodwa it's never enough. Uma umuntu niphila naye ku baba endlini kuye the head of the family, uma hamba you will feel the emptiness. So I was saying to umntwana lapha mahlele ngapha, I'm sure you feel the emptiness. What indeed benginaye every day, sidla sonke like breakfast, dinner, so I feel the emptiness. Kodwa sithi ke abakholela eBhayibhelini bathi mhlambe isikhathi umdali wakhe uthe usebenzile buya, you have done your best, come now my son and rest. Kumele thina samukele ngoba sinokufika isikhathi la umdali akufuna khona. So the decision is not ours. As a decision IFP Central Committee, noma umndeni, noma i-community ekuthandayo, i-decision enkosi esiphethe our Lord. Good, now is the time. Now what we need to do is to build on the legacy. The IFP and the ANC has a challenge. Yokwenza lesifiso sokuthi sebenzisanani. We must honor him that way. We can't honor him ngokugabana. We must honor uShenge by coming together and working together. President, I was listening to you, Kulume TV. You said Umntwana didn't say merge the ANC and the IFP. Uthe sebenzisanani. Ningaqhubeka ninhlangano separate kodwa sebenzisanani, because your objective is one. And I'm sure, President, that sizobonana. Once we are done and we have bid him farewell in a befitting manner, we will then meet. I remember Mam Kiza, the last time we had a discussion as a top 7 ANC was exactly that issue where even though we are not merging ANC and IFP, but I would like to have my membership card because I was in the youth league. So sizobuya sihlale phansi sibonisane. Let's work together. I know that next year kunokhetho. And often abantu bayacabana makunokhetho singazi ukuthi why. Let us campaign, but campaign freely, peacefully, because even after the election, after kuwinwe sizosebenza sonke. You will recall that Umntwana, when he was in the government, it was a government of national unity. Obama Mandela didn't say, no, you didn't win enough. He said, come, let's work together. And that's the spirit that must carry us forward. Sisebenze sonke. But for now, we want to say to the leadership, to Emndenini, to the ANC, let's prepare to give KwaPhindangene a befitting farewell. Simnike a befitting farewell. Siyazi ukuthi kunabantu bayabhala kuyakhulunywa nizawubhala. Now we are here to mourn, to give our father a befitting farewell. Uthi mayinkosi mayimamukele yamukele umoya wakhe. That's why we are here today. Ngithi-ke Mntwana nosisi wami niqine kakhulu emoyeni. We are with you. We are going to be with you until the end. Ngalawo mazwi ke ngithi singathi inkosi ngaba nani, ngiqinise emoyeni. I-ANC, IFP nisebenze nonke nomndeni until the end. Ngizamtshela no-President ukuthi siye safika noma Mkhize, noma Mtsiri nabanye abakhona. Unobhala wethu naye he wanted to be here kodwa wabambeka uthe uzawufika naye uSecretary General. May our father depart in a proper manner, in a befitting manner. Fare thee well, Sheng. Yabo.